Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 5, data handling. Fine. In this chapter, we will study about the graph and how we can represent the graph. Different type of graphs are there. So we are going to start our first point, that is data. Data means if there is any information which can be collected in a systematic manner, that is called data. हम किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को, जैसे हमने कोई सर्वे किया और उसका हमने डेटा बनाया, फाइन, इस तरह से किसी भी क्लास में पता किया कि बच्चों की हाइट क्या है, कितनी कितनी हाइट है, इस तरह से. पिक्टोग्राफ, द ग्राफ विच कैन बी प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पिक्चर, जिसमें हम पिक्चर के द्वारा शो करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड पिक्टोग्राफ. बार ग्राफ, जिसमें हम बिल्डिंग्स शो करते हैं, इस तरह से बिल्डिंग्स आएगी, है ना, ये इस तरह से कभी देखा होगा आपने, यू हैव सीन मेनी टाइम्स लाइक दैट. ओके, नाउ डबल बार ग्राफ. इन दिस ग्राफ वी यूज टू ग्राफ and there will be kept graph. Okay, mostly we use such type of graph in comparison method. Okay, यहाँ बीच में गैप होता है, इस तरह से बार ग्राफ. ठीक है. Of exercise 5.1, it is said that for which of these would you say histograph to show the data. Means histograph means जिसमें हम शो करेंगे पिक्चर. ओके, द नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स of different areas in a postman's bag. You can see this question on page number 76 in exercise 5.1. Okay, you can see this question on page number 76. So when you see postman's bags have different letters of the different area, so we can represent this letter in histograph, क्योंकि अलग अलग एरिया होगा, so that's why we can't represent. So it is not, ये वाला पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, it can't possible. Now the height of the competitors in the athletics meet. Height of the competitor, suppose किसी की हाइट 176 सेंटीमीटर है, किसी की 179 है, 180 है, suppose so on. So it can be represent if it is represent in the group data. Group data, then it can be present. Otherwise, it will be also not. Okay. Now see the number of the cassette produced by a company. Yeah, we can say that हम कैसेट का तो इस तरह से पिक्चर बना करके हम शो कर सकते हैं, इस तरह से we can say. Now the number of the passengers boarding trains from 7 AM to 7 PM at station. तो ये भी हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं, but it's depend if the data will be represent in the form of group data, then we can present in this picture form. Okay, fine. So answer is B, C and D. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hours in the morning. Make a frequency distribution table using tally marks. Draw the bar graph. ठीक है, पहले आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल बनानी है, उसके बाद बार ग्राफ बनाना है. फाइन. सो आई एम शोइंग यू द टैली मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, टैली मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. सो आपको साथ में क्या करना है, एक पेंसिल रखना है और जो आप शो कर रहे हैं उसको यहाँ पे कट करना है, उससे कभी गलती नहीं होती है. ओके, फाइन. सो कट 3 times W, 3 times W, mark here 3 times W, 1, 2 and 3. Then 1 time G, 1 time G, then 1 time B, 1 time B, then 2 times W, 2 times W, ये हो गया आपका 4 and 5. We will make the groups of 5. Okay, 1 time M, 1 time N, okay, 2 times G, 2 times G, 2 times M, M 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times W, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 time G and 1 time B, 1 time G, 1 time B, 1 time M, 1 time M, 1 time W, 1 time W, 1 time B, 1 time B. Now see, 2 times G, 2 times G. We will make the group of 5. ये साथ में ध्यान रखना है आपको. M 1 time, M 1 time, W 1, 2, 2 times W, 2 times W, 2 times M, 2 times M, W 1, 2, 3 times W, 1, 2 and 3 times W. Okay, M 1 times M, then W, W, then B, B, W, W, G, G. इस तरह से आप 1 by 1 करना थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा, लेकिन सिस्टमेटिक सही रहता है. 1 टाइम M, M, ओके, W 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 टाइम W, 1, 2, 3, 4. इस तरह से करना है ना. 1 टाइम G, 1 टाइम G, W 1 time, W 1 time, 2 time M, 2 time M, W 1, 2, 2 time W, 1, 2, M 1 time, there is M, N, W 1 time, W 1 time, 1 time G, 1 time G, W 1 time, W 1 time, then M 1 time, M 1 time, 1 time G, 1 time G, then W 1 time, W 1 time, 2 time M, 2 time M, 1, 2, okay, 1 time B, B for boy, ये 5 हो गया. 2 time G, 2 times G, and 1 time W, and 1 time W. Okay, so we have already made. Now हम इनको काउंट करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, कितना हुआ? 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 हो गया. 20 and 2, 23. 5, 10 and 2, 12. Now add them. 5, 5, 10 and 5, 15. 5, carry 1, 1, 2, 4 and 5. So total is 55. So now in this manner, in this method, we have just made the frequency distribution table. Okay, now we will use the bar graph for this table. We will show the data on the bar graph. as you know that there are two lines in the bar graph. One is x, another is y. Here will be 0. Here we marked M for woman, we leave the space between them. W, M for man, W for woman, then B for boy, and then G for girl. Highest mark is 23 and lowest mark is 5. So we can do one thing, we marked 5, we will make difference 5, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, we can mark the point of difference 5, 5. So first M for men means 15. So we use this graph here like that. So here this graph is shown for the men. Now W, it's a 23. You know that 20 and there are 3 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. तो ये थर्ड वाला जो होगा यहाँ पे आगे मिलेगा. इस तरह से आपको शो करना है. You can use the scale proper way. Okay, this is W and then 5 is for boy. This is for boy. तो ये boy के लिए छोटा सा ग्राफ ही बनेगा. This is for boy and girl 12. तो this is 10 and 12 तो लगभग यहाँ आएगा. Okay, sorry. Now this is 12. Okay, so it's your bar graph and we will mark here the measurement x, y. Okay, for this is for x axis, means person is equal to 1 unit and 1 unit 5% is equal to 1 unit. Okay, of 30 workers in a factory are given, the data is given. Use tally marks, make a frequency table with the intervals as 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on. इस तरह से आपको इंटरवल बना के सिर्फ क्या बोला इसने, make the frequency distribution table or tally mark frequency. ठीक है, तो we will start. Same, we will use a pencil to cut, which we have done. So it's 830. अब 830 देखो किसमें आएगा, 830 इसमें आएगा. Okay, the number which start from 830, it falls in this group. Okay, not in the last one. Start now. 835 here, 890, 810, 835 again, 835, 836 fall in the same group, 830 to 840, 869 will fall in this group, 860 to 870. Okay, 845, this will fall in 840 to 850, 898 means 890 to 900. In this group it will fall 890, it will fall in the last, 890 to 900, 820, 860, 860, 832, 832, it fall in this, 833 will fall in this group, 855 means it will fall in this group. Yeah, okay, 845, 804 it will fall in first group, 808 again it will fall in first group, 812 falls in second group, 840 840. Okay, then 885, 885, it will fall in this. Okay, now 835, 835, 835, it falls in this. Again 835, 835. Okay, then 836, 836, 878, 878, 840, then 840, 840, 840, yeah. Okay, 868, 868, 868, I am using the both hand. 890, so 890 falls in the last group. 806, it falls in the first group, and 840, it falls in the this group. So now we will add. This is 3, 2, 1, 5 plus 4, 9, it is 5, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4. Now add them. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 25, 26 and 30. So total is 30. So it means if it is match, how many workers were there? It is given in the question number 3rd. It was given in the question, so it match. The total is matched with the workers which given, so it means our frequency table is right. 5, it is given in the exercise. I am just read out the number of the hours for which students of a particular class watch television during holidays is shown through the given graph. The graph is given in this question, so we will use to give the answer by using the graph. For question number first, how many hours did the maximum number of the students watch TV? If you see the graph, it is shown that the x-axis is for hours, for number of the students. This is for hours. So highest graph is for 4 to 5. So the answer is for 4 to 5 hours. Okay. How many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4 hours means 4 hours से कम वाले कितने हैं? तो कितने स्टूडेंट जो है वो 4 आवर्स से कम मूवी कम टीवी देखते हैं. तो लेस देन 4 मीन्स अप टू 3, 4 plus 8 plus 22, so it's a 12 and 20, so it's 4 and 3, 34, total 34 students. Okay, I'm watching the movie less than 4. Next, how many students spend more than 5 hours? More than 5 hours are, if you see the graph, 8 plus 6, so it is 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14, so 14 students. Okay, these are the answer. If you see the graph carefully, so you can find.